My name is Bryan Samuels. I'm the Regional Commissioner for AYSO Region 214 in South Pasadena and San Marino. We're a youth soccer organization, all volunteer. We've got about 7 or 8 locations with 28 total fields. We definitely thought that the TinyLine was best for us because it just seemed more simple. Anybody could do it, and it was perfect for an organization like ours, which is an all-volunteer. I was able to pick the machine up, put it in the back of my Prius, and drive it around to the various fields, pulled it out, and put it on the various locations that we have. Touch the tablet, set go, and away it went. I never thought it would be this easy. You know, a lot of the time and money that gets spent setting up fields has to do with the initial striping, the initial lining of the fields, and all of that goes away with the TinyLine. The templates are drag and drop. You put them on basically a Google satellite image. You can modify them, you can shrink them, grow them, spin them, move them in slight directions here or there to avoid mud puddles. With the robot, you know, we were looking to save money, save time, reduce labor costs. Our material cost was cut by 2/3, so down to 1/3 of our overall costs. We're able to distribute the work amongst various people, and we can actually focus on what our organization is designed or set up to do, which is provide an optimal soccer experience for the 1,800 kids that enroll. So rather than being field experts and painting experts, we can focus our energy on teaching kids the game of soccer. This is going to possibly sound cliche, but I think everything about the robot has surprised us. Everyone that comes to our fields actually has mentioned how amazing the fields look from week to week and how different it is this year versus years past. The instructions for painting contain, you know, instructions for cleaning. It's just another step in the process. So very easy. The tablet walks you through step by step on how to clean the robot, and we haven't had a single problem with throughput or cleaning or anything like that. You know, we looked at a couple of other robots. We looked at a robot that had a much more complicated setup and hardware configuration, and we thought, you know, from an all-volunteer organization perspective, keep it simple, and that really has helped us, and we feel like we made the right decision, and we're extremely happy with our investment. The biggest benefit has been the cost savings. We feel like we're going to make up the entire cost of the robot in year 1 of operation, and just having the flexibility of moving our fields around, avoiding some of the field damage that, you know, the wear and tear that gets done on our field. It took us a couple of months to get around to making the decision, but after seeing it in action, it's a no-brainer.